Alrighty guys, so this video will have no music in the background, so it'll be a lot easier to hear. So here's what I want to teach you guys today: buy low, sell high. Everybody knows that, but I want to show you why this market's a little hot right now. There's still room to grow, but it's starting to get to the point where things are starting to happen. So I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. I think things are too high right now. This is just the FedEx stock right here. I'm gonna start with this, but in the last 5 days, this is what happened 2 days ago. Boom, from like 163 down to 146. So even if we go to the last month, look at that drop. So 6 months, you'll see it's a very, very fast drop. So, and the last time that happened was, if we're looking at this right, I think it's about like in October where it dropped that fast. So, and it kept on dropping for a little while, but it came right back up. So, year to date, definitely at its like second lowest low right there. It looks like just a very low low. So, even in the last 5 years, look how low it is right now. So, I personally think it's going to go right back up. It might take some time. Look, as we're speaking, you'll see the numbers trading during the day. It's already up 0.5% in just one day. We're going to come back up. Just wait. But anyway, so it's been since like, I don't know, it's been a long time. Okay, so if we go to, I'm trying to think. Okay, so this is what I was trying to talk about. This is what I wanted to talk about. So let's go to this. Okay, so if we go to another stock, let's talk about JP Morgan Chase. So it's a very, very, very good company right now. It's making 35% returns in the last couple quarters. So if I go to financials, you'll see right here, net profit margin. I'm going to just highlight it right here. Boom. So 32%. And then let's say we go to June. Let's do it again. Let's show 34%. And if we go to March, 33%. If we go to December, 28. So they weren't doing so hot last year, but it's okay. The thing is this is a very, very, very strong company. This is actually my personal bank. I love this stock, but the problem is that if we go to the last year, look how high it is. If we go to the last, so it's been a very good year for JP Morgan Chase, 5 years. Look how high that is in 5 years, man. We're at a very, very, very high peak. Look at that. In the last, like, max, I clicked on max, dude. We're talking, like, highest high it's ever been. So that's fine, but the thing is, that's great. But when something major happens in the markets, it's going to come right back down. So, I mean, the thing is that, like, low-key, I personally think this stock is in a bubble. Like, it's a bubble is the definition of something that is too high. So it's got to come down, you know. But it'll take some time. It might take a little bit of time. We don't know when. It could keep going up higher. It could go up another, you know, it could double, just like Chipotle. But I personally think that some of these stocks right now are just a little bit higher. Even if we go to S&P 500, take a look at this. So this is like today, but like look at the last 5 days. Look how high it just went in 5 days. And we're already on December 20th. So look at the last month. Higher and higher in 6 months. Look at the difference. That is such a high in just the last month alone. So year to date, look, we keep going higher and higher. Look at the last 5 years. Like, just take a look. We went from 2,000 to 3,200. Like, if you don't think that's like a big difference, let's do some math. So if we do 3,200 divided by 2,000, that's like 160% right there. And if you divide that in 5 years, that's like 32% a year. That is very, very high returns per year. Usually it's about 10. Watch, I'll even ask Google. So basically, what I'm trying to say is 10% is the average. So that's fine. You're going to have bigger jumps, or some years you're going to have like crashes, you know? But the thing is, like, when you have such a long run, see, it's such a long run in the last, 10 years that we're going to have our crash eventually one of these days. So, you might not believe it, but just wait. So, Chipotle's up. Like, look at this. They've doubled in just a year, dude. That is so fast. And yes, they did get a new CEO. Look, they were at literally 300 and something, and now they're at 834. 36, excuse me. But anyway, look at this. They were at, in 2018, last year, watch this, December, they were at like 400 and something, yeah. Boom, they went all the way down to 289, which means they've multiplied by at least 3 times. That's crazy in just like a year or two. That's so fast of a jump. So when it comes crashing down, when the whole market comes crashing down, oh, you're going to see this stock, you're going to see the Chase stock, you're going to see the S&P 500 crash, you're going to see everything crash. But the reason why I'm liking FedEx right now is because they just crashed right now. That's a big crash in just one day. And it'll take a little bit of time to come back up. It will come back up. But I personally think if the market doesn't go well in the next couple weeks or something happens majorly, this is going to be one of the stocks that doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter what happens in the world, because they've already seen a crash right here. So what I'm trying to say is maybe this price right now is built into what is going to come. So I wanted to show you some other examples. McDonald's, watch this. They're, yes, they have a lot of money. Yes, things are going really well. Yes, they're everywhere. And yes, they're selling a lot. But look, 5 years, boom. Max, boom. Look how high they are. That is so high right there. Buy low, sell high. So if you buy now, you're buying high. That is so wrong to do. But anyway, McDonald's, let's go to, I can't think of, there's so much out there, but even AMD's had a great run the last 3 months, but look at them right now. Wow, 43. They've jumped up 2.5% in just today as we're talking right now. Look at this, 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, year to date. Max, oh my gosh, look at that spike. This is the chip that's in a lot of computers nowadays. Destroys Apple. But even if we go to Apple stock, look at them too, same crap. Everybody is high right now. 5 days, 1 month, look at that. 6 months, they've been climbing. Year to date, climbing. Max, look at that. Is that not insane right there? Ever since they ever started as stock, look at the price right now. Well, if you guys don't believe me, let's go to Amazon. Same thing. Exact same thing. Y'all don't believe me? Take a look at this. Amazon. Okay, that's a lot of money for just one share, first of all. 5 days. Look, they've been climbing. Month. Look, they're coming back up. 6 months. So it looks like they might have already been priced in right now. Ready for a recession. But anyway, still look at this. Like, what the heck? In just 2 or 3 years. Actually, this is like 10 years, but still. That's insane for them to go up that fast. I'm sure Walmart's pretty high too right now. Let's check. No. Charles Schwab. Watch this. Charles Schwab. Stock price. Yep. Okay, 1 day, 5 days. Ooh, they haven't had... that's why I bought this morning and sold and made a few dollars. But Max, 5 years. Max. Dude, they're pretty high. I'm not saying they're insanely high, but they're pretty high. Just saying. They're at their second highest high, other than that other peak right before it. Look at that. And they're making a lot of money too, so it's a very, very good company. And they just bought out TD Ameritrade, if I'm right. So But anyway, all I'm trying to say, man, is be very, 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 very careful when it comes to stocks right now, because all of these stocks I just showed you, even Home Depot, same crap. Literally, I'm listing every single big company you can think of, like, that is making so much freaking money. And yes, they did hit a little crash right now, but look, oh my gosh. Look how fast all these stocks I'm showing you. And these are the huge, 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 huge companies. Let's go to Walmart. 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, year to date. Okay, max. Boom. So freaking high, so fast right now. So, what am I trying to say? All I'm saying is be extremely careful with whatever. This is your hard-earned money. Like, why would you want to blow it on stupid stuff? So today, I'll show you what I did. If you look at this right now, if I go to positions, you'll see how $2,600 in FedEx. That is how much I am betting on just FedEx. Look at all my others. I have zero, like $31, zero. I sold all those. $88. I bought a Starbucks stock today, but that's at $88, $150. So I have a little bit, $0 in Coca-Cola. Literally, even if I go scroll down, oops, no, not what I was looking to do, but there we go. Even if I scroll down, you'll see that I have $42 here, $48 here, and just like, that's it, just waiting to deploy. I've deployed all my money into FedEx right here. Right here. And I'm going to prove it by showing you guys. If you don't believe me, take a look. Balances, history. Okay, look. Right here is where I will show you. I'm going to do this, and then we're going to do today, December 20th. I'll scroll down and show you December 20th. So, all I'm saying is just, man, be very, very, very careful. So, anyway, this was the other day. Watch, I'll show you right here. FedEx, yep, right here. FedEx, yep, right here. FedEx, yep, this was literally the other day when I bought all these stocks on December 18th. So there you go. Now you see what I'm doing, but I might be wrong, but I might be right. You never know. All I'm saying is it's good to buy in on companies at a discount. So, yeah, man. But anyway, we will see what happens. The market's still open right now, so good luck is what I got to tell you guys. But this is my third video on December 25th, Christmas Day. The 26th, actually, the day after Christmas, is the day I will start putting on a little fee, $5 a month when it comes to investing advice, because this is taking up my time and my efforts of looking at all this, and you only have a certain amount of time on this earth, and I feel like time is valuable, and if I'm just giving all this away for free, then that's, I don't know, not fair to me in my opinion. But anyway, yeah, but I'm gonna start giving out $5 gift cards. $5 gift cards. Watch this. $5 gift cards. Starting on the 26th to the subscribers. One a week to see how well that goes, but that's going to be a new business that I try and venture out and see how well it goes. It might not work at all, we will see. So thanks guys for watching. Smash that like button. This is my YouTube, wait, no, that's what I was watching. This is my YouTube channel. Thanks guys, bye.